All right, guys, so we are going to talk about the Animalia kingdom. Well, Animalia is Latin for animal. So, this kingdom was organized that all organisms are multicellular. They all have eukaryotic cells, which means they have a nucleus that stores their DNA, hence why they're in the domain eukarya. They do not have cell walls. They have a nervous system. They can usually move around, and they are heterotrophic, which means they consume other organisms for food. So please make sure that you pause the video and write all these characteristics down for Animalia. Here are some examples of animals. We go all the way from a sponge in the sea, which is probably one of the most primitive animals, to birds, chameleon, that kind of stuff. So we are a very diverse group. Then let's talk about Plantae. Kingdom Plantae is the plant kingdom. This kingdom is organized by different characteristics. Again, they are all multicellular. They all have eukaryotic cells, but however, these cells have a cell wall. So every plant in their individual cells, because remember, to be living, you have to be made up of cells, their cells have an extra organelle, which is a cell wall. And most importantly, that they can use the sun's energy to make food through photosynthesis, and we call that autotrophic. And here are some other pictures of plants, from moss all the way to bamboo to a Venus flytrap to squash. The last kingdom we're going to talk about today is fungi. The way you pronounce it plural is the fungus kingdom. They are usually multicellular, which means, like we learned today, they can also be unicellular. However, they are all eukaryotic cells, and they obtain their energy by breaking down and absorbing the food around them, which makes them heterotrophic. Okay, well, that'll be it for today.